Let me ask you a simple question. Why do most traders fail over and over again? Some say it's bad strategies. Some say it's the market being unfair. Some say it's luck. But the truth is none of those things. Trading isn't impossible because the markets are hard. It's impossible because most traders approach the market with the wrong mindset. They chase certainty in an uncertain world. They hope for quick wins and magic formulas. Meanwhile, the small group of traders, the 5%, make it look easy. What? Because they see the market differently. They understand reality. They focus on process, not outcome. In this video, we're going to break down exactly why 95% of traders struggle and why 5% consistently succeed, and how you can start thinking like the 5% today. Part 1. The illusion of trading. Most people think trading is about finding the perfect strategy. They believe if they just have the right indicator, the right chart, or the right signal, success will follow automatically. But here's the problem. The market doesn't reward hope. It doesn't reward desire. It doesn't reward the perfect strategy. What it rewards is execution under uncertainty. Most traders fail because they try to remove uncertainty from the market. They want 100% certainty before entering a trade. And guess what? That certainty does not exist. The market is probabilistic. Every trade is a bet. Every outcome is uncertain. The 5% of traders who succeed accept this truth. They don't try to predict the market perfectly. They don't hope for wins. They focus on what they can control, their risk, their process, and their reactions. Part 2. The 95% trap. Now let's look at the 95%. They overthink. They overtrade. They react emotionally. The biggest mistake they make is letting fear and greed control their decisions. Fear makes them hesitate on good setups. Greed makes them chase trades they shouldn't take. And every time the market moves against them, they panic. They abandon rules. They change strategies. They try to recover losses immediately. Over time, this cycle destroys confidence, capital, and motivation. Another problem? The 95% often focus on results instead of process. They measure success by a single trade, not by whether they followed their rules. They measure progress by profits, not by how disciplined they are. And that's why they fail. The market doesn't punish them for strategy. It punishes them for their reaction to uncertainty. Part 3. The 5% difference. So why does the 5% succeed? It's simple but not easy. They understand 3 core principles. Trading is probabilistic. No trade is guaranteed. Losses are part of the process. Process over outcome. They measure success by execution, not by profit. Control what you can control. Risk, position size, and emotional reactions are their only focus. The 5% don't chase excitement. They don't make trading about adrenaline. They make it about discipline, patience, and consistency. This mindset allows them to survive losing streaks, follow rules, and build confidence over time. In short, they play the long game. Part 4. How to think like the 5%. Here's how you start thinking like the 5% today. Accept uncertainty. Understand that no trade is guaranteed. Stop chasing certainty. Focus on your process. Define your rules and follow them no matter what. Entry, exit, stop loss, and position sizing. Detach from outcomes. Don't let a single loss or win define your confidence. Control risk first. Never risk more than you can afford to lose emotionally or financially. Journal your trades. Track mistakes, emotional reactions, and execution, not just profit or loss. These habits may seem simple, but when applied consistently, they completely change the way you interact with the market. Most traders fail to survive long enough to see results. If you follow this mindset, survival becomes your edge. Part 5. The long-term edge. The market doesn't care about speed. It doesn't care about ego. It only cares about who survives to play the long game. The 5% understand compounding isn't just about money, it's about mental skill. Every trade, every decision, every reaction compounds over time. Small losses that are controlled become lessons. Small wins build confidence. Emotional stability compounds into better decision-making. Discipline compounds into consistent results. This is why trading seems obvious to the successful 5%, because they've trained their mind to see opportunity through process, not emotion. The 95%, on the other hand, are constantly reacting to the market and losing. Final takeaways. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Trading is not about luck or strategy alone. It's about mindset, discipline, and emotional control. The difference between the 95% and the 5% isn't intelligence. It isn't capital. It isn't fancy tools. It's mindset. Accept uncertainty. Focus on process. Control risk. Detach from outcomes. Do this and you move from being a trader who struggles to a trader who survives and eventually thrives. Remember, the market will always be there. Your capital and your mind won't if you don't protect them. Trade smart. Trade consistently. Think like the 5%. And if you want more videos that help you build a profitable trader mindset, subscribe and hit the bell, because we're just getting started.